5 on the first.
Yep. Mozambique.
So we're going to start right.
Either direction. Mozambique.
Okay, I got you.
Steel, steel, run, steel, 2 paper. Mozambique on the far target. Run forward. Plate rack, steel, and 3 bowling pins.
So we're going to run the same pattern, except for that we can run Mozambique here or there.
Both.
Mozambique on both.
Yep.
So that's 3, 4, 1 on the paper. No, 3, 4, 3, or 3, 4, 5, or how's it going to be? It's going to be 2, 3, 4, run to the barrel, 5, mag change, and then
3, 1, 1.
Okay.
Run and mag change.
Run and mag change, then start with the left, the right, the left.
You can, once you get to the place that you stop, you can engage in any order that you want.
Okay. Okay. 3, 4, 5.
When all else fails, always have a gun bucket in the car.
How's that?
When all else fails, have a gun bucket in the car.
Mark, you had some real good runs with that revolver. I really wanted to post. I wasn't going to put your name, but I told you I wouldn't post any of your stuff without.
Well, we'll post something one day, but let me get my good revolver with a little bit of practice.
Well, you ran the shit out that. You ran the devil out that revolver at the USPSA. I thought that was very credit worthy.
Nah, I can get my reloads and everything.
Huh?
I can get my reloads and stuff way better than that.
Well, like I said, I would never post anything without telling you.
I appreciate
so
it.
As much as I wanted to, all I really wanted was a viewership.
And these are the absolute worst bullets ever, but this is a good.
I don't know. I believe Scott's going to argue with you on that.
No, I got these 115 Extremes plated bullets.
Yeah.
I only got one for whatever reason. My HK is shooter. Nothing else I have is shooter. It's notebook group size out of everything.
I got these expensive.
Matter of fact, the reason I had them in the car and I had enough of it to do this with is this is why I'm breaking that Glock in with. Cause
is that terrible ammo right there?
I don't never heard of that.
It's expensive as shit. It's 165 grain.
Yeah.
The recoil on it is like nothing.
Oh, I bet.
It's like, but the 2 or 3 per box fail to fire.
Oh.
Expensive stuff. I just got it for, just to see. If all the pins look okay, Mark.
Yeah. Be fine up there. I hope y'all ain't trying to hit them from here back here. I'll never be able to hit one from here with this.
Holy shit. Oh, we're going to catch them on the front up as we get towards the front. I guess.
Is there? What do y'all walk me through what you're gonna do here real quick? I'm sorry.
That's all right. Mozambique on the paper.
Yep.
Gun unloaded. Yep. Run up. Load magazine.
Okay.
Mozambique.
Yep.
Steel. Steel. Yep. 5 rounds in the mag. So if you miss one, is a reload here. Standard reload. Once you hit those, run up to here. 1 steel, 2 on target, close target, Mozambique.
On the far one. 1 steel, 2 Mozambique.
Yep. You run up here, all the steel.
Okay, just
Bowling
everything.
pin.
Black plates too.
Yep. All the way across, bowling pin, ball pin, steel.
I need a hand warmer.
Can I turn the car?
I will.
Can I turn the car?
Come on, hurry up.
Can I turn the car?
Is that the only one that's working?
I need to charge my phone.
Huh?
I need to charge my phone.
Oh, you need the keys?
Yeah.
Hold up a second. Just 1 second. Don't go nowhere. All right.
Drink before you start.
No, I don't need it. Thank you. Ready when you are.
I'm ready. Shooter ready? Yep. Stand by.
So, in your walkthrough, 5 rounds in the magazine, right? And,
I had 6.
yeah, but so what you but you if you missed a head, do you have to? I thought you had to hit everything to move forward.
I didn't do those on beat.
Okay, all I know, I didn't see a headshot.
Yep. That wasn't part of the original.
Yep, I didn't do the Mozambique.
I had the right number of rounds. I just shorted myself.
Practice run.
Where was this one at?
And trust me, I don't care. I ain't trying to score. I'm just trying to understand.
Oh,
what I,
God almighty.
We want to learn.
that's half the battle, though, is trying to execute what the plan is.
2 alphas. 2 alpha. Oh, I missed it. Missed a box over here.
Got that one? You got the Mozambique on that?
On which one?
Out there, you got your headshot.
Sure.
Right there.
Well, it's not the A box, but you still got a headshot.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Y'all playing that tough. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I just thought you said Mozambique headshot.
Well, it's still, he's,
Yeah,
he's
but,
still.
but you want to get in the A zone. Okay.
It's like a throat punch.
Little throat punch.
Man, standing around for 20, 30 minutes. Ow!
See that Mark mess up all y'all's game plan.
Come on up here and sling it, Mark.
Yeah.
You're up.
I'm up already.
Well, if you want to be.
I tried mine. Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Wow.
What in the world?